In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or to display weather in calendar in Outlook. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So the first thing, log into your Outlook account and then go to settings. From settings, choose calendar, and under it you should see weather. Now here you have an option to turn on weather in calendar. So if I toggle show weather, now you can choose which temperature scale to use for displaying weather. You can choose to be displayed in Fahrenheit or Celsius. Choose the one you wish, and that's it. You can now proceed and add weather location. So this will only zero in to displaying weather from a specific location if you choose this, and this will take you to Google Maps where you can select your location. So that's how you can show weather in calendar on Outlook. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.